the idea you have about you, if that is matured, your desires, your fears, your anxiety, your plans about life, your aspirations, everything will be transformed. You will raise yourself to a matured level. Maturity is having right idea about me, but it is made of the stuff you are made inside. Same hot water, boiling water. Put the potato, it will become soft. Put the egg, it will become hard. So, the situation is not going to decide how you are going to become, but the stuff out of which you are made, that is going to decide how you are going to become with every situation. Understand? Same boiling water makes the potato soft, makes the egg hard. The external situation is not going to decide what you are. It is the concept you carry about you. Mahadeva is a principle. He is form also. Whoever catches that principle, your form is Mahadeva's form. The beauty of Mahadeva, the grace of Shiva, the grace of Isha. Start working from today with this one truth: I cannot be violated. Anything which can be violated is not me. Understand? Anything which can be violated is not me. Because I am Mahadeva. Shivoham. Whoever is coming to Varanasi Inner Awakening, from today start meditating on this truth. I cannot be violated. I'll make that as your experience in Varanasi. I'll make that as your reality. The truth, I cannot be violated. Anything which can be violated is not me. I am beyond it. Get ready for a spiritual blast.
When kid come from outside after playing in the ground and getting dirt and angry with pain, so how mother clears his wound and the negative impression about his life and about whatever the things he has carried after coming from the ground. So with the same love and care, Swamiji takes care of us and removes all our negative impressions, depressions, not only from present life, also from the past life, and blesses with a peaceful, happy and blissful life. I am fortunate to have such a powerful and extraordinary Guru who makes impossible to possible, brings darkness to a light, and life and death to a liberation. So what else I need? Be happy, make others happy.
So basically in that potato is like what you think about yours, like what the stuff which you're made up of. Like if you think I am powerlessness, I am useless, all those things belongs to potato. Whereas when you have a cognition that I can never be violated, you are Mahadeva, all those are like egg. So when you put that in the hot water, it it becomes hard. So what Swamiji meant is external situations can never violate you or anything. It is only the thing which is the stuff which you are made up of.
I have a question. how can there be something called as good karma? Because Swami in the Upanishad Satsang only Swami told karma is something which you get when the omissions and commissions which you do does not align to the concept of your life.
It is also depending completely on your perception. Like the other day when Swamiji told about the Ganga and the bamboo floating on it, your perception is so small that you are only able to perceive the one bamboo stick which is dividing the Ganga into such a huge Ganga. So I feel when your inner image, when your perception about yourself continuously evolves and raises itself, then naturally you will understand that the bamboo stick is only a small part, but we are completion only. But as of now, our perception is so small that we think incompletions are we, not the consciousness itself.
I have a question. Today Swamiji told that everybody is you and you are everybody, right? So when you hurt somebody and get that karma, will everybody around you get the karma?
See, in Bhagavad Gita, Swamiji says a beautiful story. In the night, Swami Vivekananda will be sleeping, okay? In the early morning, 2 a.m., he'll wake up and he'll tell his disciples that my left hand is hurting, please go check out what has happened in this part of the world. And they'll go and find out, and in the newspapers that day it will come that there's a flood happened in some part of the world. So even whether it is a flood or incompletions or something, it can be felt by people who are in a different part of the world, a distant part of the world.
சாமி அவர்கள் ஒரு அவதார புருஷர். தன்னுடைய சக்தியினை விஞ்ஞான ரீதியாக நிரூபித்திருக்கின்றார்கள். மருத்துவத்துறையின் மூலமாக தீர்க்கப்பட முடியாத பல வியாதிகளை தன்னுடைய தியானத்தின் மூலமாகவும் தியான சிகிச்சையின் மூலமாகவும் தீர்த்து வைத்திருக்கின்றார்கள். அப்படி அவர்கள் தீர்த்து வைத்ததின் மூலமாக இன்றைக்கு பல கோடிக்கணக்கான மக்கள் உலகம் முழுவதும் பலனடைந்து அவரை போற்றி துதித்து வருகின்றனர். அவரை கடவுளாக பாவித்து வணங்கி வருகின்றனர்.